So I'm gonna try to replace the air injection tubing. There's a lot of different names people call this. The manifold tubing. I call it the rake. It's this rail right here, and I have a crack just under the neck of this guy and the very back too. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to remove it and replace it, because there's no video on the internet or YouTube that shows this. So basically, the first things first, we're gonna take this guy off, and you're gonna take all the vacuum lines off right here, and this vacuum line off, and the main thing is this EGR tube in the very back. You got to disconnect that from the exhaust itself, so you can take this top part off and disconnect it from the manifold, and so it's a lot easier, and you can just slide it back, because it's a pain in the butt to get this EGR tube out and to pull everything out. But you loosen that from the bottom lobe. I'll show you guys that in a minute, from the exhaust, and basically disconnect the vacuum lines that you see here, and disconnect the throttle cable, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get it off. So basically, down here, you take the tire off right here to get to the part, but as you can see right there is my EGR tube, and you disconnect that. Just take that off right there from the manifold, and that'll free the top up. And here we go. We're gonna try to fix this problem.